Most people don't stay broke because they earn too little. They stay broke because they make the same money mistakes over and over again. The first mistake is spending money before creating a budget. Without a plan, your paycheck disappears faster than you expect. The second mistake is relying on credit cards for things you can't afford. Debt grows much faster than wealth. The third mistake is never investing. Leaving all your money sitting still means missing years of growth. The fourth mistake is ignoring emergency savings. One unexpected expense can completely destroy your finances. The smartest people don't wait until they're rich to build good money habits. They build good habits first, and wealth follows. Avoid these mistakes, stay consistent, and watch your financial future change one smart decision at a time. Your journey to wealth starts today.